Parentheses do not always mean multiplication, okay? Sometimes, in this case, you got to look at what's in between the parentheses. Right here, we've got a plus sign. So that means we're adding like terms from what's in the first set of parentheses to what's in the second set of parentheses. Now, they are intentionally not written in order. We do want to write them in what we consider standard form. Highest powered exponent comes first. So let's examine our problem really quickly and figure out where our highest powered exponent is. We've got r to the fourth here in the first set of parentheses. We also have r to the fourth in the second set of parentheses. So we've got 6 of them plus 3 of them. So we have 9 r to the fourth. Then naturally we would look for r cubed. I don't see any r cubed terms, so then we go to the next one. We've got negative 7r squared plus 5r squared. So negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. So we have negative 2r squared. After r squared, we would then go to r, which we've got 8r plus 7r. So 8 plus 7 is 15r. We've covered all of our terms. We don't have just a plain constant term in this one, so we're finished. That's all we're doing, okay? We're not going to factor. We're not going to do anything extra here. We are literally just adding and combining our like terms. All right, now B, instead of an addition problem, B is a subtraction problem. The only thing that changes when we go to subtraction is that we must change all of the signs in the set of parentheses that follows the minus sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the time to just recopy what's in the first set of parentheses. Nothing changes about it. I'm not going to copy the parentheses. I don't need them anymore, so I'm going to drop those. And then when I recopy the second polynomial there, I'm going to change all of the signs. So it's negative x to the fourth, negative 3x cubed, plus 8x, plus 9. Change all the signs that follow. And then I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. Okay, I'm going to combine any and all like terms. I'm going to look for my highest powered exponent first. It's a negative x to the fourth. Now, you might, something that may help you, especially when the lists get long like this, you might want to just put a simple line through it after you've dealt with it, so that you're not distracted by it when you're moving on from there. So then we had negative 2x cubed minus 3x cubed, so that's a negative 5x cubed. So mark those off. After x cubed, we've got x squared. We only have a single x squared term, 5x squared. Then our linear term, plus 8x. And then constants, 7 plus 9 is 16. It's in standard form, highest powered exponent, all the way down to a constant. And we don't have any more like terms, so we are finished. We may be asked to combine more than one, so we can do that as well. In this case, we are subtracting the second polynomial and we are adding the third polynomial. So I'm going to do what I did in the previous example. That very first one, I'm just going to drop the parentheses. Okay, there's nothing in front of that set of parentheses. I'm just going to drop the parentheses. For the second one, I've got to change all those signs. So that's negative 5b squared plus 3 plus 4b to the fourth. The last one, I'm just going to drop the parentheses. Okay, I don't change anything. A lot of people, they want to, because with the minus sign, we changed all the signs. When there's a plus in front, they want to make everything positive. It's not what it does. Okay, the reason why we change all the signs here is because we are applying that subtraction to everything in that set of parentheses. So that's why it changes the signs. Nothing changes when there's a plus in front of it. And again, just trying to combine like terms. So b to the fourth is our highest powered exponent again, but this time we have 3 of them. We've got negative 1 plus 4 plus 2. So that gives us 5b to the fourth. If you want to mark them out, mark them out. If you don't, leave them, whatever you want to do. We do not have any b cubed terms, so then we go to b squared. We have 3 of those. We've got -3, -5, -3, so that gives us -11b squared. You're welcome to use the calculator on that. We do not have any b terms, any linear terms, so then we're left with our constant, 7 plus 3 minus 6, that's 10 minus 6, so that's plus 4. And that takes care of all of our terms.